onion. Put me in the fridge and I'll get moldy. Don't do it. In the fridge, I'll go soft. Don't put me there. I'm a banana. The fridge will turn me black. Keep me out. I'm a zucchini. The fridge will dry me out. Don't store me there. I'm an eggplant. The fridge will wrinkle me. Keep me elsewhere. I'm a tomato. The fridge ruins my taste. Don't put me in. I'm an avocado. I'll ripen wrong in the fridge. Keep me out. I'm a mango. The fridge kills my aroma. Don't store me there. I'm a pumpkin. The fridge spoils me fast. Keep me out of it. I'm a potato. The fridge increases my sugar. Don't put me in. We all fear cold storage.
Remember that, okay? Check out my stories. I've got something for you.